The fucking legend is so great for my city. I'm the realest one that's repping. Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest.
It's not a real gun, it's a BB gun. I live in England, so you couldn't have a real gun. Why do you whisper? If you're not okay, say hi to everyone who's joining. Hi everyone who's joining! I really love you. Thank you for joining. Babe, stop writing. Oh my gosh, are you I love you. I love you too. I'm not lying. Guys, let's in the comments I want you to write down, what do you think is the wisest thing? Like I love wisdom quotes, so can you write in the chat, tell me what do you keep looking at? I keep looking at the comments, reading the comments. I'm not no cupcakes, no cupcakes. I love you. No, I'm not. Literally, I'm not. I'm not avoiding the questions, and I'm just speaking normally. Actually, I am quite speaking normally. Life is what you make it. Love is what you get. Ah! I really love it. Okay. I'm not scared. I'm not scared, guys. I really love you. I really wanted to speak to you guys and give you guys a good time. Should I play some music? I'm going to play some music. One second. I really love you. I'm gonna play some music for you guys now. What kind of music do you like? Can you suggest music? And everyone, we should agree in the chat on a song. What kind of music do you like? Alternative? One Direction? Girls Talk Boys? Okay. Sorry, I don't. Basically, no boyfriend. We are here. We'll remember. I'm glad you're okay. Did police actually come to your house? Yeah, they did. It's nearly 6:30 I've been up all night. Oh my gosh, are you doing an interview with your yeah? Please say Savannah. No, I don't, not Savannah. But hello, Savannah. What's up on Twitch? It's self-inflicted. No, they're not. What was the finger in your recent video of my mum? Are you honestly okay? Yeah, I don't know what to believe. Um, I'm okay. You said safe in the Q&A. I really hope you're okay, safe. Thank you. Can you see someone in the reflection? No, that's me. Act, it says clean up my act supported me. I don't actually doing it. Okay, everyone tell me a wise it's a circle bed. I'm okay. I'm not gonna touch my nose. When you said help me in your video, I didn't say me. This is my bed. It was just hello. Not a good thing actually. I actually don't agree with that. People keep ringing me. Well, I'm not ignoring the connection so bad. I don't know. Oh, everyone's pressing ignore all. Why are you commenting? I want to read your comments. Everybody should say a quote of wisdom. Give me a quote of wisdom. If what you think is true, the bad person is more likely watching, so she's not okay. I am okay. Give me a quote of wisdom. Give me a quote of wisdom. No one's. All will be okay when you're. I like that one. She's crying. She stopped crying. Were you crying? No, I wasn't crying. That's really mean, that quote. The pain you feel now is not the same pain you will feel in the future. A really nice quote. I really like that you picked a Christian quote. And in the end, the love that you take is equal to the love that you make. That's really nice. Listening is the only thing you need to help someone. See, that's really nice. We seriously need to know that, okay, don't let your happiness depend on something you may lose. The little lamb walks too far to know the dangers, to ignore it all, or something. Tell the truth. Don't hide what's going on. Guys, she's fine, obviously, everyone needs to chill. Don't eat yellow snow. Everyone wants happiness, everyone wants pain. You can't have rainbow without rain. I really like that one. It's okay when there's bruises all over you. I'm sorry, I'm really... The greatest thing you'll ever learn is having to love it in return. See, this is really nice. If you write a wisdom quote, then I can actually quote alien voice. So then it would be really nice if I actually speak to you guys. I'm thinking of making a video today saying how I save this, but I don't know whether I should make this video. Should I? I blinked once. I don't need to blink 100 times. It's fine. Hello? Okay. Nancy, band. I know I'm not on drugs. I don't have bruises anymore, but something happened to me that was a really sad story, and I really you guys all about it, but it's a sad story, and I can't really explain the bruises because the story. So glad that you love the song, because they're trying to ignore the whole chat, and so explain the YouTube video. I'm fine in my YouTube videos. I think that I'm doing okay. We go back to Twitter now and stuff, and I'm doing. That means I'm okay. That finger was my mum's finger because she was pointing out the dresser. And I don't know. It's a social environment. I don't even know what's. Hello. Hello. Who's this? Hi. I'm on you. Yeah, I can. Okay, I love you. Right. Okay, I love you so much. Okay, I love you so much. I'll ring you later. I love you. I hope you're okay. Oh, why are you crying? Oh, I love you so much. I literally am fine. Okay, thank you. I love you. Bye bye. Guys, you're worrying my friends. Literally, my friends are so panicked about me. I think she was crying. The gun was a BB gun. It's my mom's gun. I'm okay, BTV. I am okay, Jazz Bunny, but I'm just saying your name just to shout you out. My finger is fine. It's my mom's finger. I'm sorry about the bruises. I'm down because I am. Time is a healer, but if you're feeling down, make sure you take. Yeah, I know. Thank you, Jamarillo. I really love you. What song would you recommend next, guys? What song would you recommend next? I'm not being held. I'm saying the truth. I actually really love you. I might leave in a couple minutes, but I just want to let you guys know that tweet me on Twitter, and also, if you haven't already, something I'm going to do, if you want to reply from me, go to my Facebook page, I just linked now, iRaindropsX is my Facebook page. I just put it there. If you would like to go to my and leave a comment, I'm going to write a Facebook post. I'm going to leave a... Hi, Christian Winters, I love you. Yeah, stop assuming stuff. I'm okay, guys. And also, follow me on Instagram. And then, if you want, that's my Instagram. It's Marina Mew. It's my Instagram. I love you guys so much. I just want to let you know, I really love the song. What's happened with the bruises? I don't know, and they're all gone now. Bruise free. Let us hear the background. Her eyes are so big. I really love you guys. Hello, I love you. Can you call me? Who is that? Yes, yes. What is going on with your hat, and what was it done for? It was my, it's my brother's. I think it's my brother's. But, it was just like, it's a BB gun, it's not a... I didn't decline your message. What did you say? Oh, happy birthday, Massive Void. I'm really sorry. Everyone sing happy birthday, Massive Void. Happy birthday, Massive Void. Happy birthday, Massive Void. Happy to you. It's the main question we want answers like in tweets. I actually liked tweets by accident because I was liking them by accident, and I really love you guys. Yeah, I don't know. Farina just said that I had an incredible, that I have such lucky experience that people care about me. So like, I love so much. Thank you so much for loving me and caring about me. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for caring about me. I really love and care about you. I don't have any answers. Fine. I'm feeling okay. What about the meet and greet in the morning? It's Wednesday the 3rd of August. And you can find... Hi, Emily! And Wednesday the 3rd of August, you can come. I'm going to the party straight away, so you should only go if you're the party. So I'll be there at Bethnal Green at 6:30 in the morning, and I'll see you guys there if you want to go. Some people are saying don't go to the event. You don't have to go to the event. I actually recommend that you don't go to the event, just in case. If like I don't want to get in trouble like with that. I don't know. I don't want. It's a morning party. It's called in Gloryville, and it's a party. If I wanted, if anybody wants to come, because I'm pretty much. Well, I'm going with but it'd be nice to see some people going. Like, I'd like to see some viewers go to parties and stuff. And it's like a vegan, like, friendly, by the way, completely sober, so good. Like, people, like, you can bring your mum if you want. You can nice party, like, where kids can go as well. But it's like a proper party. It's like a proper like house music, like sick music, and like a party people dress up like all like, as unicorns, and they're like so much fun. So I really love it, and it's really nice. But yeah, you should definitely go if you want. It's actually and you shouldn't be scared, Jordan. Hey, and they did come to my door, the police. I shouldn't be saying that. And I'm not, it's a sober party, you'll scam. Because it's a sober party. I go to sober, drug-free parties, like the Morning Gloryville, if you want to. But you have to buy a ticket. Hi, Cody Doe! What would you like? I'm not in danger, guys, I'm not in danger. Clap if you're not okay. I'm okay, I'm fine, I'm praying. I'm praying to Buddha. Because I love Buddha. Rena Bay, why are you liking weird tweets? I don't know. I can see past your son, you're not posy despite how many times you say it. I'm not posing, I'm like really good. Why did you have bruises? This is I can't. And Angie, I love you, Angie, I love you. And this is the strangest. I'm actually not strange. Actually, I'm being so normal that I've actually been this normal throughout the whole time. And why did you have personage through the months? Because I'm naturally growing up. My personality is growing up and I'm naturally changing. So I'm being normal. I stopped talking about my favourite band because I was trying to talk to you guys. And I'm not going to scratch my nose or blink. Anyway, you now are you that I've got 45,000 people come in your website. I'm falling down, fading fast, won't you hold me close to you. I owe this all to you, every bone and broken, it's all. This is my on my phone. There's another poem. Did you write this? No. I'm not gonna fake one. And I don't need a peace sign. And thank you. I love Iggy Azalea. You're not okay. I'm okay. Hey, Elliot. Look, it's Elliot. But what about the finger? And why did you say help me? I didn't say help me. That was my mum, and that was my mum's finger. Yeah. Yeah. I'm on you now, right now, so you can kind of see that I'm on you now. Oh, do you mind bringing me back? Thank you. I love you. Okay, bye. We're on thin ice, treading softly. We were made to fall, crash. She's wearing a heart, drowning softly. Self-destruction is the only escape from this reality in which I live. Each breath takes a little more. Each moment drains a little more. I'm burning, but I can't feel the flames. Nothingness is my reality. I feel like just to be whole again. But what's the use when you have to keep? So many people have come and gone, but no thing lasts forever. I guess I'm a dreamer. If life is about the people we meet, why do we die alone? Eternity is a lie, even infinity. Everything has to balance out. Scared of being paradox will consume. I just want to lose control. I'm hopelessly, pathetically in love with you. Fairy tales are a lie when you're wrapped up in religion is just a cushion to hide you from the harsh reality of living. I'll just daydream about us in another life. I got my father's head and my mother's heart. Guys, you can make everything's alright, guys. It was my mum's finger in the video. What's Mr. I Love You? Please react by Jason. Please play react by. Okay. React. You get react by Jason Jackson. I can't play react Jackson because it's not coming up. Turn the camera around. I'm genuinely okay, guys. Do you like that poem? What's in the window about the chains? React's not coming up. Is everything right? Please get the party set up for you. It's okay. It's set up. I didn't call for help. People called out for me. Hi Bella, Bella. It's Bella, isn't it? But I'm sorry. Hi Jason. By the way, Jason's here, and I love him. Stay strong, stay beautiful. Hi Phil. I love you, Ton Johns. Hi Zach. Good night from Canada. I love you. You're hecka pretty. I love you. Thank you. Who said great at the end of the video? My mum. It was my mum. It was all my mum behind the scenes. Yeah, I'm fine, guys. You can see that. I really love you. I really love you, guys. Marina, how are you? You're an April. I really. Hi, Laura. You're beautiful and your makeup's great. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, guys, so much. Stay strong, love. I hope you're actually okay. Thank you. Why did you have bruises? It's a secret. Lots of love from Mexico. Hi, Jamie. Hey, are you okay? Yeah, she walked inside the house. Hi, Ebony. Someone. I love you. You're beautiful. Thank you, Flamingo. You're so beautiful. Radiate, no matter the circumstances. Thank you. Hi, microwave beans. Yeah, Jared. Hope you're truly okay. Thank you. I love you. Oh, I didn't get to make a wish. I usually make a wish at 11. Babes, are you okay? The police know. Yeah. Can you do a room or house tour? I'm so happy you're okay. Except my friends can see you. Hi, I love you so much, Amelia. Okay. I am okay. I love you. Okay. This is really good. scared. You're truly an inspiration. I love you. Hi Kenny, I love you. This is my room. This is my desk. Stuff on it. This is my wardrobe. Where I keep my clothes. This is where I do my makeup, which is kind of like a really messy place. And this is my circle bed. I love you guys. I love you. Stay strong. Thank you. I'm not in danger. Are your veins okay? Touch your heart if you're not okay. I'm okay. Okay, I wanna let you hear what's on the background. Why are stripes on your cheeks? Because I decided that I wanted stripes on my cheeks. I really love you guys. Hi, OG, it's B. I really love you. Thank you for proposing. You're my favourite YouTuber. I love you so much. I'm really worried for you and got me nervous. You're wonderful. Thank you. What about the tour? What happened? Do you see? You look so scared. And slow cats and so and so's capping. She keeps doing slow cats. I'm not doing slow cats. I'm doing this naturally because I like to do prayer hands. Thank you so much, K-Word. I love you. If you're not safe, tell a joke. I am safe. What can you explain? What's been going on? Lately, everybody's been basically saying that I'm not okay and that I need them, but I don't know why. Olivia K. Is it just that you've been feeling down these past days? Well, but there was something